Hello there, Mrs. Thompson.
Oh, hello.
Hello, my name's Dr. Mishra.
Oh, hello.
I'm one of the psychiatrists that work in the department.
Right.
I've been asked to conduct an examination of your lower limbs. So part of this examination will just I'll just need to be touching your legs and moving your legs just to test them, and that's what will sort of constitute the examination.
Okay.
Are you in any pain anywhere at all before we
No.
begin? Okay, so I just need to wash my hands before I start the examination. Okay, so I just need to start off with a visual inspection of your legs, Mrs. Thompson. Do you walk unaided?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is just test the tone in your legs. So if you just relax your legs as much as you can for me, I'm just going to roll your legs like this. If you just relax your ankle as much as you can for me. The next thing I need to do, Mrs. Thompson, is just test the power in each of your legs. So I'm just going to bend this leg, and I'm going to try and push it towards you. I'd like you to try and stop me. Okay, and I'm going to try and pull it away. I'd like you to try and stop me. Okay, I'm just going to do the same on the other side. I'm just going to bend this leg and then push it towards you and try and stop me. And again, if you just, I'm going to pull it away from you and I want you to try and stop me. That's great. Okay, I'm going to try and push your legs together. I want you to try and stop me from doing that. Okay, and again, I'm going to try and open your legs and I want you to try and stop me from doing that. That's fine. Okay, if you can just bend this knee for me. I'm going to ask you to try and move your heel towards your bottom, and I'm going to try and stop you from doing that. Okay, and then can you try and kick me away? That's fine. And then we do the same on this side. If you could just try and move your heel towards your bottom, I'm going to try and stop you. Okay, then can you try and push away? That's fine. Okay, I'm just going to do the same down with your feet. Can you try and push down on my hands? I'm going to try and stop you. That's great. And you can try and kick my hands away. That's fine. Now, just going to do the same with each of your big toes. So I'm going to try and push down on your big toe. I want you to try and stop me. And on this side. Okay, that's fine. The next thing I need to do, Mrs. Thompson, is just test the reflexes in your lower limbs.
Right.
So again, if you just relax your legs as much as you can for me. Okay. And again, just on this side as well. I just need to test your ankle reflexes as well. So if you wouldn't mind just bending this leg and then just opening out to the side and then just relaxing your leg as much as you can for me. Okay. And then again, if you just bend your knee and then just put it out to the side and then just relax your ankle as much as you can. Okay. Okay. Now this final test on your reflexes can be a little bit ticklish for some people. So I'm just going to gently run the base of this tendon hammer along the sole of your feet. Okay, that's fine. I just need to test the coordination now in your lower limbs. So would you mind putting your right heel onto your left knee for me? And then just rolling it down your foot, and then coming back up to your left knee, and then back down. Up and back down. That's fine. And then could you do the same on your other leg, please? That's fine. If you just you can pop both legs down. Okay. The next thing I need to do, Mrs. Thompson, is just test the sensation in each of your limbs. And I'm just going to use a piece of cotton wool for this. So I'm just going to. Can you feel that?
Yes.
So I'm just going to do the same just on your lower legs. But I'd like you to close your eyes for me and then just let me know whenever you feel me touching you with the piece of cotton wool.
Yes.
Feel me touching you?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, and did that feel the same on both sides?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Now, ideally, Mrs. Thompson, I would need to test that with a pin, but I don't have that equipment with me today.
Right.
Okay. Now the next test I need to do, Mrs. Thompson, is just test the how well your joints can pick up a vibrationary sense. I'm just going to use a tuning fork for that. So what I'd like you to do is, can you feel that?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you to close your eyes, and I'm just going to place the tuning fork at some point on your leg. I want you to tell me when you can feel it, and then when you can stop feeling it.
Right. Yes. No.
Okay. The same again.
Yes. No.
Okay. The next thing I need to do, Mrs. Thompson, is just test how well your joints can pick up what position they're in.
Okay.
So again, if you just keep your eyes closed and tell me which way I'm moving your toe.
Okay. Down. Up. Down. Down. Up. Down.
That's fine. I'm almost done. Could you stand up for me, please, Mrs. Thompson? Okay, if you could just place your feet together and close your eyes for me. That's fine. And the last thing I need to do is just get you to walk for me.
Okay.
Thank you. And if you could just turn around, want your heel in front of your toe for me, and walk like that for me. And could you just walk on your tiptoes, please? And then try and walk on your heels, please. That's fine. Thank you very much, Mrs. Thompson. That concludes the end of the examination. Thank you.
Thank you.